Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Aditya here, and today I have made a video for you on the basics of English grammar to read and write English without any problem. So let's start this video. So first of all, we will know about grammar. Our first topic is grammar. So before proceeding further, first of all we will know about the English grammar. What is the English grammar? So English grammar. Grammar is what? It is the grammar is the knowledge of correct way of reading, writing, and speaking. So here we can understand that grammar is nothing but it is the knowledge of correct way of reading, writing and speaking. So through grammar we must have knowledge of reading, how to read the things, how to write the things, so that we can communicate, and speaking to communicate ourselves. So grammar is nothing but it is the knowledge of correct way of reading, writing and speaking. It does also mean the subject by which, the subject through which we get the knowledge of reading, writing and speaking skill, which called English grammar. So now we will go into very deep and know about the English letters. So guys, there are 26 letters in English grammar, 26 letters in English grammar, in English grammar. Out of these 26 letters, some are vowels, some are called as vowels, and the others are called consonants. So these 26 letters are divided into two parts. One are called vowels and the other are called consonants. Vowels. Vowels are those which give the sound of A, E, I, O, U. While the consonants are those which are except these A, E, I, O, U. Beside this, all letters B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y, Z. So let's check it out. Vowels. If any of the sound represented by these letters A, E, I, O, U, then those will be called vowels. Now consonants. Except these letters A, E, I, O, U, others are called consonants. So vowels are first, consonants are second. So these 26 letters are divided into vowels and consonants. Consonants are B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y, Z. So if we pronounce any words and which gives the sound of these things, then those will be called as consonants. So this is what the basics, very basics of English grammar. After this, we will know about the tense. What is tense? So before proceeding further and knowing about tense, we'll first get some example like apple. So before apple, what we will use here? An is used. We will use here an. Why we are using an? Because it is vowel. A is vowel. In this words, this is the group of letters. These are group of letters. And when letters combine together, what they are called? They are called words. So if any of the words starting with A, E, I, O, U, and those are also countable nouns. What? Countable nouns. Means the thing to which we can add. So before those we will add an. So an apple, because we can count the apple. We can count apple. Now banana. We can also take this one. So first of all, we will see here this word is starting with B, letter B. So we know that B, C, D, F, dot, 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 except A, E, I, O, U, the words which starts except A, E, I, O, U will add before them A. So it is a banana. So through these example number 1, example number 2, we are getting that if any words start with A, E, I, O, U, and those are also at the same time those are also countable noun, then we will use and before that. If any word starts with except A, E, I, O, U, then we can simply add A before them. Okay. Later on we will also study deeply about a and the, use of a and the. So if you find this video useful, then please like, comment and subscribe my channel. Thank you.